Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if Facebook is showing you are not able to confirm your identity in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Whenever your account got suspended or disabled, your account will be deleted after the 30 days, and after the 30 days you can't get it back even though you report a dispute file. But if it hasn't been the 30 days after your account got suspended or disabled, you can do it in any of your browser if Facebook is not letting you to confirm your identity. In order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browsers and search for confirm Facebook identity, and this second option which says confirm your identity option with Facebook logo will appear. Just simply click into that option and you just simply have to upload an approved ID document of yours. In order to do that, just simply click to choose file, and from the gallery you can choose the document type, and after choosing the document just simply click to send button. Then after that, Facebook help and support team will review your credential and then take the action into your ID as required. If your identity is genuine, you might get your account back. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.